Murphy USA has been one of the most searched for the stock on jax.com lately, so you might want to look at some of the facts that could shape the stock performance in the near term. Share of these gasoline station operator have returned plus 4.9% over the past month. Various the JAX and S&P 50's composition plus 2.5% change. The JAX oil and gas refining and marketing industry, to which Murphy USA belong, has gained 0.6% over this period. Now, the key question is, where would the stock be headed in the near term? While media release or terms about a substantial changes in company business perspective usually make its stock trending. The lead to the immediate price change. There are always some fundamental facts that eventually dominate the buy and hold decision making. Revision to earn estimate. Rather than focusing on any else, we the at Jax prioritize evaluating the change in company's earning projection. This is because we believe the fair value for its stock is determined by the present value of its future stream of earning. We estimately look at how sell head analytics cover the stocks are reversing their earning estimate to reflect the impact of the last business trends, and if earning estimates go up for a company, the fair value of its stocks goes up. A high fair value than the current market price driven investor interest in buying the stocks, leading to its price moving higher. This is why empirical research shows a strong correlation between trend in earning estimate revision and near-term stock price movements. Murphy USA is expected to post earn 4.67 per share dollar for the current quarter, presenting a over year change of minus 23.2%. Over the last 30 days, the JAX consensus estimate has changed plus 27%. The consensus earning estimate of 18.89 for the current fiscal year indicates a year-over-year change of minus 32.8%. This estimate has changed plus 6.2% over the last 30 days. For the next fiscal year, the consensus earn estimate of $16.34 indicates a change of minus 13.5% from what Murphy USA has expected to report a year ago. Over the past month, the estimate has changed plus 7.2%, having a strong externally educated track record over priority stock rating tool. The JAX ranks offer a more conservative picture for the stock pricing direction in the near term, since it effectively harnesses the power of earning estimate revision. Due to the size of recent change in the consequence estimate, along there three other factors related to earning estimates. Morphy USA is rated Jack's rank hashtag 1 strong buy. The chart below shows the evaluation of the company from 12 months consumer EPS estimate. 12-month EPS chart by Jacks. Revenue growth forecast. Even through a company earning growth of arguably the best indicator of its financial health, nothing much happens if it cannot raise its revenues. It's almost impossible for a company to grow its earning without growing its revenue from long period. Therefore, knowing a company potential revenue growth is critical. In case of Murphy USA, the consult sell estimate of $5.2 billion for the current quarter points to a year over a year change of plus 1.6%. The $21.94 billion and $22.78 billion estimate for the current and the next fiscal year indicates change of minus 6.4% and plus 3.8% respectively. Lately reported result surprise history. Murphy USA report revenue of $5.67 billion in last reported quarter, representing a year over a year change of 12.6%, EPS of 5.2 dollar for a same period compare with 4.23 a year ago. Compared to the Jack's consult estimate of $5.51 billion, the reported revenue represent a surprise of minus 2.68%. The EPS surprise was 15.42%. Over the last 4 quarters, Murphy USA surpassed consolidated EPS estimated 3 times. The company topped consolidated revenue estimated 3 times over this period. Valuation. No investment decision can be effected without considering a stock valuation. Whether a stock current price rightly reflected the interviewing value of the underlying business and the company growth prospect in an essential determination of its future price performance. Comparing the current value of the company valuation multiply, such as its price to earn, price to sell, and price to cash flow of its own historical value help estimate whether its stock is fairly valued or undervalued. Whereas comparing the company relative to its peers on these parameters give a good sense of how reasonable its stock price is. As a part of the JAX style score system, the JAX value score which evaluate both traditional and unconventional values matters. Organizing stock into the 5 groups ranking from A to F. A is better and B is better than C, and so on, making it helping in identifying whether a stock is overvalued, rigidly valued, or temporarily undervalued. Murphy USA is graded B on his front, indicating that trading at a discount of its peers. Click here to see the value of some of the valuation meters that has driven this grade. Bottom line, the fact deciding here the much other information on jax.com might help determine whether or not it's worthly paying attention to the market buzz. About Murphy USA, however, its Jax rank 1 does suggest that it may outperform the broader market in near term. Want to the latest recommendation for the Jax investing research? Today you can download 7 best stock for the next 30 days. Thank you guys. Bye bye and take care.